Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "This connection is not secure" error in Google Chrome. This error usually appears when Chrome can't establish a secure connection with a website. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Then select Security. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Look for the option called Always Use Secure Connections. This setting automatically upgrades websites to HTTPS and warns you before loading websites that only support HTTP. If the website you're trying to visit only supports HTTP, turn Always Use Secure Connections off. Now, return to the website that was showing the error. Click the address bar. If the website address starts with HTTPS, remove the S so it becomes http://. Then press Enter. If the website supports HTTP, it should now load successfully. Keep in mind that HTTP websites are not encrypted, so avoid entering passwords, payment information, or other sensitive data on these sites. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix the "This connection is not secure" error in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome tips, browser tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.